And welcome to Patrick's Models and Tourism. So I'm in Santa Maria di Sala in the province of Venice. We're just in the province of Venice. Padova is that direction over there. And I want to talk to you about this small church. So this is the Chiesetta della Madonna Mora, which was built in 1839, and it was moved in 1986, because in 1986 they widened this road, so the church was practically right there. So the road was very narrow. It was a very narrow road. This is the road that connects Padova to Treviso, and eventually it goes all the way up to the border with Austria, the normal road. So they jacked the church up. They jacked it up, and then they slid it from where it was over here to where it is now on pigskins, because pigskins have got a very fatty layer on the flesh side, and they're very, very slippery. And that's the story of this church. And a few years ago, you can see it has a lightning conductor. It was struck by lightning a few years ago, and the spire was a bit damaged, but it's been repaired. So this is the church that moved from in front of us to over there. And it's not the only case of buildings that were moved using this type of technique. In this case here, it was a smallish building, so they were able to use pigskins. In Bucharest in the 1970s, they moved a whole church. No, they moved a block. It was a block they moved. A block, not a church. And they fitted it on rails. But that's another completely different story. So this is our small church, built in 1839, that was moved on pigskins in 1986. Cheerio, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.